Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we DIY a knotted crop top from an old t-shirt you might own and a shirt that you already own. So I've been seeing these tops all over Instagram and I can't seem to find any that fits me at any of the shops. So I thought, hey, why not make my own? No sewing involved. The simplest DIY ever. I know I say this with every DIY, but I promise you this is really easy to do. And without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm taking my old t-shirt and I really like the design at the front. So I'm going to cut up the back of the shirt and wear that as a front, and then the back will become the... Do you get what I mean? I'm just going to reverse the shirt, and to do that I'm taking out the tag. Obviously I don't want that to be seen as I wear my top. Then flipping it over onto its front so that the back is facing me, I'm just going to cut it in half. So I cut very slowly, mostly because I want to be very precise with this. So I take my sweet time. Once you're done cutting up your shirt, that's all you need to do in this DIY. I told you it's super quick and easy, and literally a child could do it. I'm just giving you a rough idea on how I'm going to wear the top, but I'm obviously going to show you me wearing the top. But I'm just taking the sides, making a knot, and then tucking in the top of the shirt. That way it looks a bit seamless and the rough edges are not showing. Now wearing the top, this was very hard to do without exposing my boobs, just so you know. But I'm just taking the cut side, and that's my front, and gathering the pieces, I'm just going to tie a knot. I'm obviously tucking in the top of the shirt, that way it's not rough and looking undone. That way it just looks finished and like a complete top. So now I'm going to knot that up. I'm going to turn around because the girls were not behaving on this day. And then I'll just slide it down my shoulders a bit, and there you have your first top. That is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this top. I just think it's so cute and so fun for those hot days. Now for the second shirt, I'm just taking a shirt I already own and I'm gonna unbutton it and do literally the same thing. I'm going to slide it down my shoulders to get that off shoulder kind of effect. And then taking up both ends, I'm just going to form a knot at the front, and that's it. You're done with the most part of your top. There's still more to do, but yeah. So once you have your knot, I didn't like how long the sleeves looked, so I'm just going to cuff them. That way it gives more of a polished look, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to slide that down my shoulders, bring up the sleeves, and once you're done with that, you're done with your second top. So that's literally how simple these knotted crop tops are, the DIY version, of course. I hope you try this, and if you do, let me know how it goes. But that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video and that I'll see you in my next one. Bye!